Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new here. My name is Ella and this channel is all about spirituality, manifestation, mindset, and aligned business. And I'm so excited for today's video because I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite Kundalini meditations called the Ego Eradicator. The Ego Eradicator is perfect for busting away any limiting beliefs, low vibe feelings, and the negative chatter of your ego. And the best part is you're going to get a big boost of positive energy. You're going to get more mental clarity, strengthen up your aura to attract, and just get massive high vibes to continue the rest of your day with. So if you're into that, then be sure to keep on watching. To begin, find yourself in a comfortable seated position with your legs crossed. Placing your hands on your thighs, just take a nice deep inhale as you draw your shoulders up towards your ears. And as you exhale down, just lowering your shoulders down and opening up your chest, broadening across your collarbones. Now the next part here is to lengthen out your neck. So really creating that space at the back of your neck, and then gently bringing your chin in towards your neck. So keeping your shoulders down throughout this entire meditation and keeping your neck long is going to be very important. Now after that, let's move on to the hand position. So just raising your hands up here for a second, and you want to curl down your fingertips until your fingertips touch the pads of your palms. Here you're going to stretch out your thumbs and really hold your thumb out firmly like this. Now, on your next inhale, you want to extend your arms up at 60 degrees with your thumb pointing upwards. This is going to be the arm position throughout the entire meditation. Now, with your arms in this position, we are going to begin doing the breath of fire, which I will explain to you guys first. So the breath of fire is basically breathing in and out through your nose rapidly and in equal amounts and pumping your belly at the same time. So you want your breath to really go to your belly, and as you inhale, you want to feel the expansion of your belly, and as you exhale, you want to feel the contraction of your belly. Now with the breath of fire, if you are pregnant or you are on your menstrual cycle, be sure to avoid this and to trade it in for long and deep breaths instead. If you are not pregnant and you are not on your menstrual cycle, then you can continue on. And same thing, if you are feeling dizzy or nauseous at any point of doing the breath of fire, then be sure to switch on over to long and deep breathing as well. So with that said, let's bring our arms back up here. We have our fingertips touching the pads of our hands, our thumbs out, and we are going to begin doing the breath of fire. So here you want to close your eyes and just focus your attention at the top of your head, okay? And we are going to do the breath of fire for 1 to 3 minutes. So as you do this, you can feel the pumping motion of your belly going in and out and really focusing on equal amounts of inhale and exhale through your nose. To end the practice, you're going to inhale deeply and just draw your thumbs to touch over your head. Here you're going to stretch out, holding your breath. And then when you're ready, exhaling, opening out your hands and lowering your arms down. So how was that? It wasn't too bad, was it? So this is such a powerful practice to do, and you can definitely start off with just 1 minute of practice and then build it up to gradually 3 minutes. I highly recommend that you start your day off with doing this so that you can start your day off on a great high vibe note, or even later in the afternoon if you need that extra energy boost. This is going to totally do the trick for you. So I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet Kundalini meditation, Ego Eradicator. If you did, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below how this experience went for you. So I can't wait to catch you in my next video, and until then, stay light and shine bright, my friends.